Hi friends, today I'm unboxing the Bajaj Mini personal fan. As summers are here in full swing, just for my personal use, I bought this. It's from Bajaj company, and it's a very small, handy, compact one. The MRP is at 1785, but on Amazon I got it for 1100 rupees. So this is the box in which the fan came. It is a battery operated one, so you have a USB connector through which you can charge it. And this is the actual fan. um, it's very compact, and it comes with this 1 year warranty. So this is a warranty card, and some of the other technical details are there. It also comes with the instruction manual. As you can see, the upper part has all the details of the item, and the lower space has all the technical data like the voltage, battery, and on the other side the same instructions are repeated in Hindi if you would like to read it. So this is the actual fan. It comes in this blue and gray color, and as you can see below, it has a clip sort of a arrangement, so you can even hang it anywhere, in your at your desk. Okay. And the fan, it's kind of movable. As you can see, you can change the direction, so whichever way it is convenient, you can change the direction in which the wind comes from that. So on the back side, there are three items. There is a LED indicator, and then the power socket, and the power on off button. So into this socket you'll have to plug in your USB charger that comes with this. And the button, it's like it's a on off button, but also you can control the speed. So there are three speed variations. With each button press, the variation changes, and the fourth time it stops, as you can see in the video. The amount of power that's coming through it, and the wind speed, it's pretty decent, even in the when you're using it in the first speed, or even at the third speed. All three speed variations, they're very good for personal use in this summer.